Here are the biggest AI updates this week and how each one actually helps you as a creator, beginner, or small business owner. These aren't random headlines. These are the updates that can genuinely make your content faster, your workflow easier, and your income higher. Let's start with one of the biggest. OpenAI released a faster and more accurate model. It writes more clearly, follows instructions better, and gives more consistent answers. This matters because it helps with everything you already do: writing scripts, generating content ideas, planning workflows, and fixing mistakes in your drafts. If you use AI to create videos, write posts, or build digital products, you'll notice fewer rewrites, less editing, and a smoother experience overall. And because the model is faster, you can produce more content in less time, which directly increases your output. TikTok rolled out new AI features designed to help creators grow. This includes auto captions that adjust to your video style, topic tags that help TikTok understand what your content is about, and editing suggestions that make your posts more engaging. If you're posting short-form videos, these features save you time and help TikTok push your content to the right people. You don't need to be a professional editor. The platform basically guides you to a cleaner, higher retention video automatically. Canva added new AI magic tools for video and design. These tools can fix layouts, clean up messy designs, suggest color palettes, enhance images, and speed up video editing. If you're making thumbnails, social posts, or B-roll for your videos, these updates help you make cleaner content with less effort. For beginners, it removes the hardest part of design, choosing the right layout. For creators, it lets you produce graphics and thumbnails faster, which leads to better CTR and more views. Google is testing upgraded AI answers directly in search. This might change how people find information online. If you're a writer or someone planning to offer SEO services, this means one thing: broad content will slowly lose visibility, while niche, experience-based content will rise. Google wants helpful, personal, unique info. So if you're making blogs or guides, focus on specific audiences and specific problems. This shift actually gives small creators an advantage, because real experience now matters more than huge websites posting generic content. Several new AI video generators launched, and a few existing ones got major upgrades. The realism and motion quality are far better than they were a few months ago. This matters because you can now create ads, explainer videos, product demos, and cinematic clips without recording anything. For creators who don't want to be on camera, this opens the door to faceless content, educational videos, and storytelling videos made entirely with AI. For businesses, it removes the cost of filming and lets you produce content at scale. These updates aren't just cool features. They're tools you can use right now to make more content, save time, and eventually make more money. The people who grow fastest in 2025 are the ones who stay updated and adapt quickly. If you want weekly AI updates, new tools, and simple ways to use AI to grow your income, make sure you subscribe. I'll keep you ahead of the trend every single week.